Hey, now that we have our price list sorted out and we've been adding our customers to our customer database, now we're able to send quotations to our customers. To do so, we access the Create Quotation form as you see it here. And from in here, we can bring in any of the context that we've added to the customer database. So in this case here, I'm going to bring in the demo company and it's my own name that's on it. We can pop in a unique reference number here, so it could be the name of a project. So we'll call it the demo project. And today's date automatically comes up, or we can actually change it to whatever date we want if we so desire. Now that that's done, we can add as many items from our price list as possible, bearing in mind that here on our sales workflow dashboard, we do have a download copy of the price list should we require to reference to understand what codes that we have. This price list, as we have explained in another training video, is linked to the price list database on the control sheet. So let's now quote. So we're going to quote the last item that we popped on there, which was PL009 demo product. Quantity of them are going to be 2. And the list price, while it's on the price list, we can change it if we so wish here. We can add another, so let's add PL001, and let's give that another 3 here as well, and the VAT is 13.5%. A good feature is we can also add as many data sheets as we require to this quotation. So these could be product data sheets or whatever. I just have a mock one here at the moment which I'll add, but these are sitting in the nominated folder here, the Datasheet nominated folders. If we go in here, we can see that we have that sitting there. We could have others in there as well. That being the case, we can add them here. We can also have a note going to the client. So let's just do that there. We will send some samples in the post. And now we're going to create and send the quotation to the client. And there we have the quotation is sent. And the quotation was sent directly to the client. So if you remember on this particular quotation, it was my own primary email address. So let's go into my email account and see what has been sent in there. So here we are, the quotation has been received by myself, and we have the quotation which is popped into the template with the note we will send some samples in the post, and we also have the PDF which is just a PDF that I randomly popped in. Now within here we have the option of accepting or rejecting this quotation. So let's accept the quotation as this is how your client would accept it, and as soon as they do, they will get a note saying thank you for the response, and this logo here will be yours or wherever the client is. Now back in the control sheet, we can see that the quotation has been accepted. Automatically this updates, and that leaves us then to say that we're going to close this quotation because we want it. As soon as we choose closed one, we'll be asked for a PO number if they've accepted it. We'll either ring the client or have it to hand via email. So we'll put in reference 123 and close it like this. And what will happen is it will ask us, do we need to add a delivery address, which is a part of another training video. If we wish to proceed, we just go yes. And once we do, the script will proceed to create its sales order and transfer it into open sales order, which we have here, and that's for another training video. So that is it on the quotation, and this is how we create a quotation by accessing it via the sales workflow dashboard, pop it in, send it to the client, and then we can manage it through once it has been sent